Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Python on Mobile Phone Programming series. In the previous video, we have seen comparison operators. So in this class, we will discuss about assignment operators. So before starting the main topic, please do subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't, and like and share this video with your friends. So move on to the next, today's main topic, that is assignment operators. So basically in Python, there is only one assignment operator, that is the equal symbol here. So we have already discussed this in the previous class. So that is, you look at this line number 2 here. Okay, so assignment operator is nothing but this equal symbol. So what it will do is whatever the data that you have on the right side, so in this case 300, okay, will be assigned to the right side, to the left side variable. Okay, so that's about this assignment operator. And next, let's move on and do some operations here, like something like this. A is equal to, okay, C is equal to, and you want to do something like 100 plus, okay, 200. So in this case, what will happen? The operation will be performed like 100 plus 200, and the complete 300 will be assigned to C. Okay, so now what is the value of C? It is 300, right? Now let's say you want to increase the C value by 100. So in that case, what you can do something like C is equal to C plus 100. Okay, so instead of this one, okay, instead of writing this entire statement like C is equal to C plus 100, what you can do is C plus equal to 100. Okay, so here in this particular scenario, the line number 14 and 15 both are same. Okay, so this is another type of assignment operator here. But in this assignment operator, what we are doing is we are performing the addition first, and after that we are assigning it here. Okay, so this is not only limited to addition. Okay, we can apply, any arithmetic operator here. Okay, so you can try that in your free time, but that's about assignment operators in Python. Okay, so let me print these values and show you the result if you want to see that. So let's close down this add here. In the last line, we got 500 as the output. That's because in the first line, the line number 12, we have 300 as a C value. In line number 14, we have incremented, or we have increased C value with 100. And even in the 15 line also, we have increased the C value with 100. That's why the final output we got is 500. Okay guys, so that's about assignment operators in Python. This is a very simple topic. Okay, so in the next video, we will be discussing about logical operators. So after that, using all these concepts, we will develop a simple project using all these concepts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's meet in the next video and do some, write some nice Python program. Till then, take care.